In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track learning progress in Airtable. We'll build a simple, reliable tracker that keeps your studies organized and visible at a glance. Start by logging into Airtable on your desktop. From the home screen, you can click Add a base and choose Start from Scratch, or open an existing base you'd like to dedicate to your learning. Either way works. What matters is keeping everything in one place. Inside your base, rename the first table to Learning Progress so it's clear what it's for. Now add the key fields that make this work. Create topic or course name as a single line text field. Add category as a single select with options like course, skill and subject. Add status as a single select with not started, in progress, and completed. Add progress % as a number field. Include start date and target completion date as date fields. Finally, add notes as a long text field for links, takeaways, or next actions. This table becomes your main learning hub. As you study, update progress % regularly. Small, frequent updates are more accurate than big jumps. And switch status as you move from not started to in progress to completed. This habit gives you a clear snapshot of where you stand at any moment. Create focused views to keep attention where it counts. An in-progress view shows what you're actively working on. A completed view lets you reflect on wins. An upcoming deadlines view highlights anything with a target date approaching. A high-priority learning view helps you concentrate on critical topics. Sort and filter to plan study sessions. Sort by target completion date when deadlines matter, or by progress % to push items that are close to done across the finish line. Filter by category when you're batching similar topics, or by status to focus only on what's active. Quick reminder, I've placed the Airtable website link at the top of the description. Feel free to open it now and build this tracker step by step as you follow along. To reduce manual work, add simple automations. In the Automations panel, create a rule that sets status to completed when progress % reaches 100. You can also have the automation stamp the current date into a completion date field, so you always know when you finished. Test once, then let it run quietly in the background. Make time once a week to review your table. Celebrate wins, adjust target dates if needed, and archive completed topics so your base stays clean and motivating. That's how you can track your learning progress in Airtable and stay consistent with your education goals. Thanks for watching.